Whatever it takes, it has to do with an attitude that in the real world of law and in the real world that we deal with, we run into obstacles all the time. The obstacle could be a judge, or it could be a governmental agency, or it could just be a specific person, or maybe there's a law that's an obstacle. And sometimes these obstacles can be disheartening. They can rob you of your spirit, of winning, of your energy. And whatever it takes means that even when we encounter difficulties, or even when you can have a setback like in a football game. The other side just scored 14 points in 1 minute. And that's a downer, isn't it? Or in a baseball game, the opposing team hits a home run with the bases loaded, and we are in the 9th inning. That could be dispiriting. Whatever it takes means that even in that situation, we want to get up, we regroup, and we focus to get around whatever that obstacle. We focus to recover from the setback, and it's the spirit to carry forward and find a way to accomplish the client's goal and really help the client. When I was in the Navy, and initially when you start off, they put you at tasks like painting the ship or chipping the paint or swabbing the decks. When I did that task, I wanted to be the best painter in my division, or the best painter on my ship. I took pride in actually chipping the paint correctly, doing the primer correctly, preparing the area and the conditions correctly. So when my paint job was done, people would come and say, wow, that's excellent. That's excellency. And that same concept is applied to the practice of law for the advocacy of the client. In other words, conceptualizing, first, not conceptualizing, but identifying the client's core concerns, then correctly following the best practices to come up with a good plan, knowing your law and all these different things. So when you get to the final result, not only the client, but even other lawyers, the judge, and other people recognize, wow, that was really excellent work. We want people to see that and talk about it, because we take a lot of pride in that.